Everyone's asking the same question today. Why is the crypto market suddenly pumping again?
In just the last 24 hours, the market jumped by 2%, extending a strong 5.7% weekly gain.
But this rally isn't random. It's being powered by three major forces working together behind the scenes.
First, Binance's dominance is back in full force. The exchange hit yearly highs in futures trading, crossing over $2.55 trillion in monthly volume. That's a massive signal that institutional investors are re-entering the market and money is flowing again. With new regulatory approvals, like Japan's FSA giving Binance the green light, and BNB touching new all-time highs, confidence in the Binance ecosystem has been restored. Historically, whenever Binance's activity increases, the entire crypto market follows.
Second, the Federal Reserve is fueling optimism. Traders are betting on a 25 basis point rate cut this week,
which usually pushes investors to move money out of traditional assets and into riskier plays like crypto. Gold prices have dropped around 6%, and that capital seems to be flowing straight into digital assets. On top of that, easing fears around U.S.
China trade tensions have further lifted investor confidence and boosted risk appetite across the markets.
Third, there's the quiet comeback of leverage. Perpetual futures open interest has risen 8%, reaching $906 billion with funding rates staying neutral. This shows traders are rebuilding leveraged positions, but not recklessly. It's a sign of cautious optimism rather than pure hype. Binance alone saw over $739 billion in 24-hour perpetual trading volume, while spot trading lagged behind at $195 billion, indicating that big traders are positioning themselves for what could be the next big move.
Altogether, these three factors, institutional inflows, Fed-driven macro tailwinds, and derivatives repositioning, are fueling today's rally.
Technicals like the RSI at 46.57 show there's still room for upside. However, all eyes are now on tonight's Fed decision and Binance's BTC dominance, which currently stands at 59%.
If Bitcoin maintains its strength, altcoins like Zen up 23.9% and AXBT up 43.7% could continue to rally. But if Bitcoin stalls, those gains could fade just as fast. At the end of the day, the crypto market never moves by accident. It moves with intention.
The smart money always positions itself before the headlines catch up. So the question is, are you watching the signs or waiting for the news to tell you what just happened?